Welcome to TechTalkTrove. In today's video, we'll show you how to convert your disk from MBR to GPT during the Windows installation process. Make sure you have backed up all your important data, as this process will delete all files on the disk. Step 1. Boot from Windows Installation Media. First, insert your Windows installation USB or DVD and restart your computer. Press the appropriate key to enter your BIOS UEFI settings, commonly F2, Delete, or ESC. Set the boot order to boot from the USB or DVD drive where your Windows installation media is located. Step 2. Start Windows installation. Once the Windows setup starts, select your language, time, and keyboard preferences, then click Next. Click Install Now. Step 3. Convert MBR to GPT. On the Windows activation window, press Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type diskpart and press Enter. Type list disk and press Enter to display all disks. Identify the disk you want to convert. Type select disk 0, in this case the disk number is 0, and press Enter. Type clean and press Enter. This will delete all partitions and data on the disk. Type convert GPT and press Enter to convert the disk to GPT. Type exit to close diskpart. Close the command prompt window. Step 4. Continue Windows installation. The disk should now show as unallocated space. Select the unallocated space on your GPT disk and click Next. Windows will begin the installation process. Step 5. Complete Windows installation. To recap, we've converted our disk from MBR to GPT and installed Windows. This allows you to use modern hardware features and improve system compatibility. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to TechTalkTrove for more tech tutorials. Leave any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to help.